Hello everybody, Assalamu alaikum. I am Abu Talha Siddiqui. I am 7 years old. I read in class 1. My school name is Nagarbari Maritime School and College. It is located in Nagarbari Ghat. It is the most reported school in the area. I love my school. All teachers are very friendly. I have lots of friends. Gogon, Abdullah, Ayat, Bapi and Saim. They are my best friends. My favorite subject is English. My favorite color is white and black. My hobby is gardening. I want to be a doctor in future. Everyone pray for me. Thank you everyone. Bye.